Ready Facebook? Ready YouTube? Okay, both live. All right. Welcome to our Facebook blog and recording on YouTube. Okay? All right, ladies and gentlemen. Hurricane Ada has strengthened. Okay, is almost getting to the Gulf of Mexico. Okay, I'm encouraging y'all. That's outside the level protection system and all that. I want y'all to get out of here, okay? Get out of y'all, get out of here. Go wherever y'all gotta go to be on safe places. Go to a hotel. Go somewhere. You understand? Please get out of here, y'all. Okay. Now I'm encouraging y'all to go. Okay. Brace yourselves for this storm. Stay prayed up. Hopefully, none bad gonna happen. But this is a serious thing to go on. Okay. So I'm encouraging y'all. Okay. If you don't live in Louisiana or in the affected places, disregard this. Okay. Disregard this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. So all I'm saying, y'all, be prepared. Okay. This is something serious. Okay. So what I'm doing, y'all, I'm 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 gonna put all my important stuff like clothes and stuff and video games and everything on higher ground. Okay. So it's gonna be up here somewhere. Okay. Put them in the closets and stuff like that. So I got to go. Okay. Because this is something very serious, very serious, ladies and gentlemen. Take this seriously, just like y'all taking COVID-19 serious. Okay. Because this ain't nothing to play with. Okay. All right. So all I gotta tell y'all, ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves, be prepared. Okay. Evacuate. To me, it's voluntary. I'm voluntarily evacuating. Okay. Who I'm gonna go with my family. Okay. Y'all can ride the storm out, but do me a favor, pray. Okay. Please pray, ladies and gentlemen, because God gon' guide us. Okay. I'm talking to you people that's on Facebook, and I'm talking to you people on YouTube. Okay. So all I'm saying, y'all, take this seriously, y'all. Please take it serious and go when y'all gotta go. Go with family, go with friends, go with whoever. Okay. Cause this is very serious, and prepare for the worst, pray to God, and hope for the best. Okay, that's all I'm telling y'all. Okay, So I'm not really panicking, y'all. In case some of y'all notice, okay, cause this is very serious weather, very serious. Okay, that's all I'm saying. This is some serious weather out here. Okay. Remember this. This is very serious. Y'all do not won't be caught up in this. Okay? So take it serious. Get the hell out of here. Okay? Excuse my language, y'all. Cause after what happened with Katrina, it ain't nothing like Zeta, nothing like Gustav. I wasn't here for Gustav. Okay? I evacuated the Bastrop, Louisiana. I don't want to be on the road, but I do want to stay in a hotel or whatever. That's what I'm gonna do. Bring my people there and stuff like that. So prepare yourselves, ladies and gentlemen. This is very serious. Okay, that's all I'm saying, y'all. Prepare yourselves and everything. Okay, cause I wouldn't. All I'm gonna say is, y'all. Pray for the best, y'all. That's all. This Facebook Live is not going on YouTube because I'm live here and I'm recording over here. Okay. So that's all I'm saying, y'all. Stay prayed up. Brittany, if you're watching this, I don't even know if Brittany watching this on YouTube or not. And Niall, if you're watching this, I know my people's watching this. Take this very seriously, ladies and gentlemen. This ain't nothing to play with, okay? All right. So all I'm saying, let's pray. When I finish this recording, we gonna pray, okay? All right. when I finish this Facebook Live, we're going to start praying, okay? All right. Make sure y'all take this seriously. Get out of here. Get out of town when y'all have a chance. A lot of people is getting the hell out of here, you know? Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. Better safe than sorry. Remember that, okay? Thank y'all for watching, all right? God bless y'all. God keep y'all. Bye.